Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. In this lecture I will share the PPSC MCQs for headmaster, headmistress, lecturer, subject specialist test. These are most repeated MCQs of daily science. So let's start. First MCQs is, which of the following is the chemical name of vinegar? A. Sodium nitrate. B. Dilute acetic acid. C. Chloride of lime. D. Calcium. E. None of these. And the correct answer is dilute acetic acid is the chemical name of vinegar. Then next, second MCQ is, the deficiency of which vitamin decrease hemoglobin production? A. Biotin. B. Thiamine. C. Niacin. D. Pyridoxine. E. None of these. The correct answer is D. Pyridoxine. Third MCQ is, what is measured by the hygrometer? A. Speed of sound. B. Density of milk. C. Humidity of air. D. The specific gravity of liquid. E. None of these. And the correct answer of this MCQs is C. Humidity of air is measured by hygrometer. And the 4 MCQs is, most of the asteroids lie in the asteroid belt between the orbits of A. Mars and Jupiter, B. Mars and Venus, C. Jupiter and Venus, D. Everywhere in the sky, E. None of these. And the correct answer is A. Mars and Jupiter. And next, fifth MCQs is, what is the number of spark plugs that are needed in the diesel engine? डीजल इंजन में कितने स्पार्क प्लग्स की नीड होती है? A 2, B 3, C 0, D 4, E none of these. And the correct answer is 0. C 0 स्पार्क प्लग में जो है वो स्पार्क प्लग 0 नीडेड होता है डीजल इंजन में. 6th MCQs हमारे पास है, डैश इज द मोस्ट इलास्टिक? स्टील, रबर, C ग्लास, D स्पॉन्ज, E none of these. And the correct answer is A. Steel. 7th MCQs है, which of the following is the orbital period of planet Mercury around the sun? A. 88 days. B. 365 days. C. 2 years. D. 98 days. E. None of these. And the correct answer is 88 days. That is A. And 8th MCQs is, which of the following is the most splendid and the most magnificent constellation in the sky? A. Orion. B. Columbia. C. Canis Major. D. Taurus. E. None of these. And the correct answer is A. Orion. 9th MCQs is, which of the following is the study of eugenics? A. By altering the human beings through changing genetic components of them. B. People of the European region. C. Different races of mankind. D. Genetic of plant. E. None of these. And the correct answer is A. By altering the human being through changing genetic components of them. The 10th MCQs is, what is the position of the earth in its orbit when it is at the greatest distance from the sun that causes the northern summer called? A. Aphelion. B. Perihelion. C. Perigee. D. Apogee. E. None of these. And the correct answer is A. Aphelion. The 11th MCQs is, which of the following chemical is used to kill rats and mice? A. Insecticides. D. Rodenticides. C. Fungicides. D. Herbicides. E. None of these. And the correct answer is B. Rodenticides. 12th MCQs, what is dry ice? ड्राई आइस का सेकंड जो है वो क्या है बाय नेम? मीथेन हाइड्रेट. बी. लिक्विड नाइट्रोजन. सी. सॉलिड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. डी. फ्रोजन वाटर. ई. नन ऑफ दीज. एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज सी. सॉलिड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. 13 MCQs, the diamond is a very much expensive ornament What is it composed of? A. Carbon, B. Gold, C. Silver, D. Platinum, E. None of these. And the correct answer is A. Carbon. 14th MCQs. Layers that make radio transmission possible are A. Troposphere, B. Ionosphere, C. Mesosphere, D. Stratosphere, E. None of these. And the correct answer is B. Ionosphere. 15th MCQs is why there is no total eclipse of the sun due to A. The size of the earth is relation to the moon, B. The orbit of the moon around the earth, C. The rotation direction of the earth around the sun, D. The area of the sun is covered by the moon, E. None of these. And the correct answer is D. That is, the area of the sun is covered by the moon. 16th MCQs is which of the following convert the television signal into light signals? A. Optical fiber, B. Transistor, D. Decoder, C. Decoder, D. Photodiode, E. None of these. And the correct answer is D. Photodiode. The half-life of the radioactive element is 8 days. In how many days it is reduced from 10 mg to 5 mg? A. 4 days, B. 12 days, C. 16 days, D. 8 days, and E. None of these. And the correct answer is D. 8 days. 18th MCQs. The bronze is an alloy of A. Copper and zinc, B. Zinc and tin and zinc, C. Copper and tin, D. Iron and zinc, E. None of these. And the correct answer is C. Copper and tin. 19th MCQs is what do we indicate with the term blue shift? A. The droplet effect is in which an object is appeared bluer when it moves towards the observer or observer moves toward the object. B. It turns the star from white to blue. C. In future sun becomes blue. And D. In the start the black hole was blue. And E. None of these. And the correct answer is A. The droplet effect in which an object is appeared bluer when it moves towards the observer or observer moves towards the object. 20th MCQs is kilowatt hour is the unit of which of the following? A. Power, B. Electric current, C. Energy, D. Time, E. None of these. And the correct answer is energy, C. 21st MCQs is a non-metallic mineral is manganese, B. Magnesium, magnesium, C. Gypsum, D. Bauxite, E. None of these. And the correct answer is C. Gypsum. Which of the following radiations are prevented by the ozone layer from entering the atmosphere? A. Infrared, B. Ultraviolet, C. X-rays, D. Gamma rays, E. None of these. And the correct answer is B. Ultraviolet. 23rd हमारे पास MCQs है. What are the fruits without seeds like banana called? A. Seedless fruits, B. Parthenogenesis fruits, C. Parthenocarpic fruits, D. Placental fruits, and E. Organic fruits. And the correct answer of this is C. Parthenocarpic fruits. 24th MCQs. What does the bronze medal is made up of? Bronze medal किस मेटल का बना हुआ होता है? A. कॉपर निकल, B. कॉपर टिन, C. कॉपर सिल्वर, D. कॉपर जिंक. And the correct answer is B. कॉपर टिन. 25th MCQs. Why a moderator is used in nuclear reactors? A. To accelerate the neutrons, B. To slow down the speed of neutrons, C. To increase the number of electrons, and D. To increase the number of the electrons, E. None of these. And the correct answer is B. To slow down the speed of neutrons. 26. What are the sedimentary rocks? A. Porous, B. Hard, C. Rough, D. Brittle, E. Volcanic. And the correct answer is A. Porous. 27th number. In the phenomena of aurora borealis, because of radiation from what the display of red and green lights in the northern hemisphere is? A. Ionosphere, B. Troposphere, C. Mesosphere, D. Stratosphere, E. None of these. And the correct answer is A. Ionosphere. 28th number. Due to what the yeast is used in making bread? A. Carbon dioxide, B. Sugar, C. Bacteria, D. Oxygen, E. None of these. And the correct answer is A. Carbon dioxide. Oasis is associated with glaciers, B. Deserts, C. Islands, D. Volcanoes, E. Fertile land. And the correct answer is B. Deserts. Oasis, it's a part of desert. 30th number. Which of the following is fuel that is used in the fast breeder reactor? A. Uranium oxide, B. Uranium plutonium carbide, C. Uranium plutonium oxide, D. Uranium thorium oxide, E. None of these. And the correct answer is C. Uranium plutonium oxide. 31st number. Due to what the monsoon is caused? A. Seasonal reversal of winds, B. Revolution of earth, C. Movement of clouds, D. Rise in temperature, and E. Rain forests. And the correct answer is A. Seasonal reversal of winds. And the 32 number MCQs is the atmospheric layer that helps in radio communication are? A. Exosphere, B. Ionosphere, C. Troposphere, D. Stratosphere, E. Ozone layer. And the correct answer is B. Ionosphere. 33 number. On which of the following principle the quartz crystals in quartz watches work? A. Photoelectric effect, B. Stroke effect, C. Thermionic effect, D. Piezoelectric effect, E. None of these. The correct answer is D. Piezoelectric effect. And the last one, 34th number MCQs. By the deficiency of what the Addison's disease is called? A. Antidiuretic hormone, B. luteinizing hormone, C. melanophore stimulating hormone, D. adrenocorticotropic hormone. And the correct answer is D. adrenocorticotropic hormone. I have shared with you 34 most repeated MCQs. आपने इनको बहुत अच्छी तरह से लर्न कर लेना है. मे बी इन फ्यूचर जो है इनमें से कोई रिपीट हो जाए.